Hey, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead Wannabe. So, the compost bin was steaming like you wouldn't believe, probably 2 in the morning. And it was hot, hot. If I would have left my hand in there for a couple seconds, it would have burned me. So I doused it with a garden hose, and so now I'm concerned. I'm going to douse it. We're going to douse it again with a garden hose. Is this a daily thing? Is there a possibility of it combusting in the future? Or do I just have to douse it with water every day? Or should I make it half the size so it doesn't get so warm? So a good possibility is I could just break it down into a pile again, but I don't know. I'm new at this. So yeah, I don't want to be starting a fire and burning the tree down and all the garages all the way down. That wouldn't be pretty. But I got that all cleaned up. That was just lots of logs. So I've had a 3-day fire, 3.5, something like that. And the lawnmower is working posthumously. It's beautiful. It's all running off free electricity, off the solar power now. That was the last little bit there that I got done today. Most of the yard's been cut 3 or 4 times now. And I keep lowering the deck as I go. It'll be nice looking, I don't know, in a week or so. I think I cut this 4 different times. Needs it again. But yeah, in a nutshell, that's everything. I just want to know how to keep this safely without having issues. And soon, before the stimulus money is spent, I got to get a heat duct. I'm going to connect it to the solar furnace here and try to make me a dehydrator. That would be beautiful. That'll be a nice addition to prepare to go out in the country and have it a real homestead. I have, I don't know, probably 7 to 8 different kinds of herbs that need to be out here soon. So then I'll be able to dehydrate those, put them in canning jars. That'll be a run this coming weekend, going up north to pick up canning jars, maybe rabbits. So because you can't have chickens in the chicken tractor, I might as well get some rabbits. Rabbits are pets. Goofy laws, but hey, we do the best we can with what we have, and we push forward. So this will be all planted up in the next couple days. I'll be taking a couple days off work, I think. But it was nice to have a 3-day weekend where I stayed mostly motivated. I've been in and out on the computer too, of course. But anyway, the new garden this year has started. And I'm going to work on that some more today before the storm comes in. All right, you have a beautiful week.